What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Toshinae Letrice, and you are watching my channel. Okay? Alright, so today I'm gonna be getting this head wrapped up. I'm about to go to sleep. I gotta do something with this head. I'm gonna show y'all what I do. You're only gonna need 2 things, or 3 things really. All you really need is a bonnet, a do-rag, and a scrunchie, which is optional. So basically all I do is I flip my hair. This is a wash and go that I did. Flip it up from the bottom, and I go ahead and put my scrunchie around my whole head as if it's in a pineapple, basically. You don't have to do this step, but this is just what I do to make it faster. So you tie the do-rag in the front. Go ahead and tie it all the way around. I had seen this method from Kimberly Cherrel on YouTube. I'll go ahead and link her video down below for how she wraps her hair up. I kind of use the same exact method after watching her video, and it actually works very well for my shrinkage prone hair. And then you go ahead and slip that scrunchie right on off so I don't end up waking up with a dent in the morning. And then all you do is pop that bonnet right on top, just like so. And then you look cute, you look crazy, and you go to bed, okay? So you guys, thank you for watching my how I wrap my hair up at night video. I will see you in the next one, okay? Bye.